In today's video, we're going to talk about YouTube, specifically how you can create a YouTube channel. If you're listening to this, you are probably using YouTube. Hopefully you're using YouTube. If not, somebody has stolen my video. The first thing that you have to do is think about what type of content you would like to make. It has to be something that you are good at or something that you know about. For example, if you don't know how to speak Chinese, then you can't make videos teaching Chinese. You've got to choose something that you're interested in and something that you're good at and want to show others. I think that if you choose a niche that you enjoy, then the process of making videos will be a lot more enjoyable. For example, if I didn't like teaching English, then it would be hard to spend so many hours creating videos for people to watch because I wouldn't enjoy it. Maybe you're interested in photography, fashion, cooking, gaming, anything that you find interesting. Then you've got to think about what type of content it is going to be. Is it going to be tutorials? Is it going to be reviews? Or showing parts of your own life, like vlogs? You've got to think about what you are going to show your viewers. I think that the part of actually creating a channel is the easy part. Setting up the Google account and creating the YouTube channel is very easy because you only need to put your channel name, the description, and upload a profile picture. The difficult part is finding viewers that want to watch your videos, especially at the beginning, because nobody knows who you are and nobody knows what type of videos you are creating. So you have to attract your audience. I would say that your first 1,000 subscribers are the most difficult ones to achieve because reaching 100 is easy if you share it with your friends and family. But 1,000 is quite a lot of people that have to be interested in the topic and want to follow your channel, if that makes sense. Then you have to learn the basics, so you have to learn about video editing, and it might be a good idea to buy a good microphone and a good camera. It depends on the content that you are making. There are a lot of free resources and tutorials online to learn from, especially for video and audio editing. I think that you can find all of this on YouTube. At least I did anyway. One of the important things on YouTube is to be consistent. I'm not saying that you have to upload videos every day, but it's important to upload regularly. That could be once a month or once a week, but not 4 videos this week and no videos until 3 months' time. From what I have seen, YouTube promotes your videos more when you are consistent, and I think that your subscribers appreciate it as well because they know when to expect new content. There are so many things to learn about when you start making videos, like for example keywords, tags, and what to write in the description boxes. And the difficult part of this is that nobody really knows the exact science behind it, and the algorithm often changes. So the best that you can do is to put out quality content that you know that your subscribers will enjoy. Keywords are basically words that people search for, like for example English podcasts or English listening. All of these are words that you might type in the search bar to look for an English video. So for example, if you are making videos about recipes, you would make sure that you put the keywords like chocolate, cookies in your title of the video, in the description box, and in the tags section. You can also create playlists so that people can find your videos easily. I think it's a good idea to do this when the videos are related to each other. Like, for example, if you have made 5 videos about cookies, then you could create a cookies playlist. And then a separate section for 5 types of pizza that you have created. There are also other options like end screens, subtitles, and cards. If you have ever watched a video and at the end of the video it promotes another video, like it pops up on the screen, that is an end screen, and it encourages people to click on other videos that you have created. Cards divide your video into sections. So if you're making a recipe video about cookies, you might divide it into the ingredients, the process, and the cooking part. This is optional. You don't have to divide your video into cards. I think that in some videos it makes sense to, especially when it's a tutorial, but if you're just talking in the video, I don't think you really need to. And then the subtitles are created automatically by YouTube, but the problem is that they don't have any capital letters or full stops. So it's a good idea to edit them once they have been generated automatically. One of my favorite things to look at on YouTube Studio are the analytics. So I can look at where people are watching my videos from, which videos are the most popular, whether I have more male or female viewers, and what age groups watch my videos. The one that I find the most interesting is the countries section, because I can see that people are watching these videos all over the world, and I think it's amazing that something you can record in your house can be listened to in so many other countries. It really fascinates me, and I don't think that I will ever get used to it. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, because interaction is good for a YouTube channel because it promotes your videos more, and please subscribe because then you won't miss any videos in the future. Leave a comment below saying what country you think most people watch my videos from. I think it would be very interesting to see what you think. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another video.